Dibba AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools on the market right now, and in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're just getting started with AI or you're already deep into the space, this software could be a game changer for your business or personal projects. Stick around to the end because I've got a free trial link in the description, and I'll share my top recommended AI tools for you as well. So let's jump right into it. Dibba AI is designed to make AI accessible and powerful for all kinds of users. One of the most impressive things about Dibba is how quickly it can be integrated into your daily workflow. Unlike other AI tools that require hours of setup, Dibba is ready to go almost instantly, which is perfect if you don't want to waste time. The first major feature you should know about is its automation capabilities. Dibba AI specializes in automating tasks that usually eat up a lot of your time. Whether it's handling customer service inquiries, social media management, or email marketing, Dibba is designed to seamlessly take care of these tasks without much intervention. This feature alone can boost your productivity significantly, which is why I think it's one of the best just released AI tools in 2025. Another key highlight of Dibba AI is its natural language processing abilities. This software can understand and respond in a way that feels very human. It's not just about generating text, it can process and respond to queries or tasks with nuance. If you've ever tried AI tools that sound robotic, Dibba is a welcome change, offering a much more authentic interaction. Dibba AI also stands out because of its customization options. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of tool. You can tailor the software to suit the specific needs of your business or personal projects. This means you're not limited to just a few templates or preset configurations. If you're someone who values flexibility and control, Dibba gives you that in spades. Next up, let's talk about the intuitive dashboard. Dibba's user interface is clean, sleek, and easy to navigate. No need to be a tech genius to use it. If you've tried other AI software and found yourself overwhelmed by the complex setup, Dibba will be a breath of fresh air. Everything is laid out so you can quickly find what you need and get things done without a steep learning curve. One of the biggest concerns with new AI tools is always data privacy. With Dibba AI, you can rest easy knowing that the software prioritizes security. Whether you're processing sensitive customer data or just working on personal tasks, Dibba has built-in privacy features that ensure your information stays safe. This is something that can't be overlooked in today's digital landscape. For those of you who run businesses, Dibba AI also offers analytics tools that allow you to track the success of automated tasks. You'll be able to measure how well it's performing and adjust accordingly. This data is invaluable if you want to fine-tune your operations and make smarter decisions. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Dibba AI is incredibly affordable for what it offers. Most similar tools charge hefty fees for access to premium features, but Dibba keeps it accessible. In fact, you can try Dibba completely free by following the link in the description below. Now, if you've tried other AI tools in the past, you'll know how important it is to find something that truly works for you. After testing thousands of AI tools, Dibba is definitely one of my top picks. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, highly customizable, and able to handle a wide range of tasks, Dibba is worth considering. And don't forget, after trying Dibba AI, I've got my recommended AI software list in the description where you can also try them for free. I've tested hundreds of tools, and I only recommend the ones that I think will actually add value to your work or business. So if you're ready to give Dibba a shot, click the link below and start your free trial. And if you want more AI tools that'll boost your productivity, check out the others I've listed in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.